Hey all, this is Software Focus, and today we're going back to basics with Snagit. You don't want to miss this. Today's episode will be focused on the crop tool available within the Snagit editor. There are actually two ways to crop an image, and for demonstration purposes I'll bring up a more interesting image for us to work with. With this image, the first and most straightforward way of performing a crop within Snagit is the manipulation squares around the edges of the workspace. So you'll see, we have a square up top, we have a square in the corner, on the side, corner. They're in 8 positions around the perimeter of the image, and you just simply click and drag, and it will then crop out that part of the image you just told it to crop out. Now, the downside of this particular process is you don't get a clear view of what you have cropped out. The actual crop tool that I'll demonstrate in a second does do that. So let me undo this crop and we'll move on to the actual crop tool. If you go up to the top on the toolbar and go under More, crop is usually the 4th one down. Clicking on it will pull it into the toolbar and it'll turn blue. Now with the crop tool selected, there isn't any properties pane, but you see that the white squares that were there have now turned blue, and you'll notice there are now lines dividing the image into a total of 9 sections. This is to help reference the rule of thirds, which is a photography-based process that helps center and focus on different things in your image. But similar to how the other crop works, if I click and drag one of these blue squares, you'll see that the area that's going to be cropped out will be darkened, and of course the area that will be saved is brighter. You also get a pixel measurement where you're clicking and dragging from, and down at the bottom, although it might be hard to see right now, you get a crop and cancel, and this basically allows you to set your crop, confirm that it's what you want, and then acknowledge that that's the crop you want. So if I drag this up, make some adjustments here, and maybe I want some more of that, so I'll add that back in. And here, okay, so this is what I want. I'll hit crop, and it crops the image and removes everything except what I had highlighted. And this can be done, of course, multiple times. And can be combined, of course, with the more traditional crop method. And that about does it for the crop tool. This has been Software Focus. If you like this video, hit that like button, or click subscribe to join the channel for future videos. If you have any feedback or ideas for future videos, please leave a comment down below. Keep focusing.